So let's say you have a username inside WordPress, admin, for example, and you want to change it to something else that's more descriptive. Why would you want to do that? For two reasons: security, so that it's more difficult to guess for the hackers, and the other reason is if you have multiple WordPress websites having the same username, it's kind of difficult to keep track of which website it belongs to, especially if you're using automatic tools to fill the passwords in. And it's just good practice to be able to know how to make modifications to your username. So username cannot be changed inside WordPress. You can actually see that here, but you can see that I've changed it to kitchens, but you can change it to whatever you want. We'll go in this video in great detail on how to make modifications to the username inside WordPress. To make modification to your username, you will need to actually access your hosting account. In this case, we use Plisk, but you can use cPanel, whatever tool that you're using to make that change. You basically will need to access your database. So, in our case, we need to click to Dashboard. Inside Dashboard, you will be able to find databases. Database will be somewhere inside your hosting account. Just search for keyword databases. Once you're inside the database section, search for phpMyAdmin. Sometimes phpMyAdmin sits outside of the database category just by itself. Just search for phpMyAdmin. You want to click that. It's going to open up a new window, and in the new window you'll be able to see a table called users. So make sure you click on the users, either in here down the center or on the left hand side, doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same place. Now that you are here, you want to go click edit, and then you can change it here, or you can change it on this page. Let's just click on edit. It's going to make things a little bit easier. So user login, you can change it to kitchens or whatever you want. Let's change it to BM build kitchen. We'll copy. User nickname, we'll change it here as well. And then display name is an admin, but we can change it to the same thing. Going to click OK, and the change has been implemented. It's as simple as that. You can now close your hosting account. Going to go here. It will tell you that you need to re-log in, and I'm actually going to go back to wp-admin, leave, because I have the password here. Build kitchen, click login. There we go. I'm going to update. I will need to update the password now because the username has changed. Alright, so hopefully that was helpful. That's how you change your username, even though that the WordPress is telling you that you cannot change the username. By the way, we do web development. We build really nice high-end websites. So if you're interested in us building a website for you, or if you're looking for somebody to maintain your websites, to make sure that the websites are running smoothly and are being maintained, updated on a regular basis, feel free to reach out to us. That's what we do. Webbeka.com is the name of my company, and you'll be able to find a lot of really cool information here. Portfolio, different services. Website maintenance is one of our key service that we provide across a lot of clients in the United States and abroad. Thanks.